Bay of Mali Ston is a bay in the Adriatic Sea, enclosed by the Pelješac Peninsula and the mainland. The name primarily refers to the innermost, eastern part of the bay, while the name Channel of Mali Ston is used for the channel between Klek and Pelješac in the west. The two bodies of water are located in Croatia's and partly in Bosnia and Herzegovina's territorial waters. The bay is named after the village of Mali Ston. Its southernmost point is at the isthmus of the Pelješac Peninsula, while its mouth is located roughly north of Àñtó. The channel, in turn, extends from the to the line between Cape Blaca on Pelješac and Cape Medad on the shore, located south of Kamana. The sea to the west of the Mali Ston Channel, near the narrative delta, is called the Malomor, and further west is the narrative channel. It is 21 kilometers long and has a maximum breadth of 2.2 kilometers, and the depth is between 7 and 28 meters. On account of its clean waters, the Bay of Mali Ston was declared a special natural reserve in 1983. An area of 4,821 hectares is covered. For the line's residue eastwards, the Croatian Ministry of Agriculture considers this larger body of water as the total area of the bay for the purposes of regulating mariculture. With a length of 28 kilometers, a maximum breadth of 6.1 kilometers, and the depth largely between 20 and 29 meters. The part of the bay that is in Bosnia and Herzegovina is a section in the northwest of the bay near Neum, and it also constitutes said country's only coastline. The maritime boundary between the two is, according to the common standards for territorial waters, an equidistant line between the Pelješac Peninsula of Croatia in the southwest and the Klek Peninsula in Bosnia and Herzegovina in the northeast. The location of the planned Pelješac Bridge is in the far west of the channel. The climate of the area is Mediterranean, characterized by mild winters and dry summers, with 3 times more rain in the rainier than in the drier months, during which the mean precipitation does not exceed 40 millimeters. The mean yearly precipitation observed is of 1,316 millimeters. The dominant winds come from the north, northeast and northwest. The average sea temperature ranges from 13 degrees Celsius in January to 28 degrees Celsius in July and August. The bay is under the intermittent influence of fresh water from the river Neretva, naturally more pronounced in its outer and central parts and during the season of high discharge and/or strong western winds. Yet the dominant influence is that of abundant submarine springs of fresh water from the surrounding coast. According to the concentration in nutrient salts and the quantity of phytoplankton, the bay may be characterized as a naturally mildly eutrophic system. The bay hosts the largest oyster cultivation facilities in the Adriatic. Mussels are also part of the mariculture. The favorable hydrological conditions for seashell cultivation have been recognized since ancient times. Remnants of oyster farming dating back to the Roman Empire have been found in the area. The first written documents on oyster gathering there are for the 16th century, and those which relate to seashell culture are from the 17th, as recorded in the Republic of Dubrovnik. In the 1980s, the bay's production was at an average of up to 2 million of oysters and 3,000 tons of mussels, accounting for 60% of the Croatian oyster production. The facilities were gravely damaged during the Croatian War of Independence.